How to buy monthly cards in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to buy monthly cards in Blockman Go. Buying monthly cards in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the Blockman Go app on your mobile device. Go to the shop. Tap on your profile picture or the store option in the main menu. Look for a section labeled membership or monthly card. Select the monthly card. Browse through the available option and locate the monthly card package. It usually displays the benefits such as daily GQs or other rewards. Choose the payment option. Tap on the buy or subscribe button for the monthly card. Choose your preferred payment method. Google Play Store, Apple Pay, credit card or other linked payment option. Complete the purchase. Follow the prompts to confirm the payment. Once the transaction is successful, the monthly card will be activated immediately. Receive your benefits. You will start receiving the daily reward associated with the monthly card. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy monthly cards in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.